Yo, what's up guys? It's Sal and I'm here to talk tech with you. And I got a video here today covering my 5 best resources I use to practice and learn how to code. I always get questions like, hey, where do I start to learn Python or this programming language, or what kind of things should I be working on to show employers? And I think this video would be the perfect answer to this question. So without further ado, let's get into the 5 best places to learn how to code. All right, first up is DataCamp. So I have been using DataCamp quite frequently as of late, and it is a great place to start. It has tons of beginner-friendly courses. It has a crazy workspace where you can go mess around with your own data and build projects and stuff. DataCamp exclusive job recommendations and career certifications. Going back to courses like this Introduction to Python course, one of the first courses I took when joining, they are packed with video lessons and interactive exercises. And this one is awesome because you get to have your own Python session and practice and experiment your own solutions. It's learning by doing, which in my opinion is the best way to learn. And in addition to that, some of the certifications are also partnered. So for example, the Power BI Data Analyst certification course also comes with 50% off the actual Microsoft exam. I believe the same is with the Microsoft Azure Fundamentals course. So you can really start racking up like professional certifications on your resume here also. And another thing definitely worth mentioning during this video is the projects page. And they have an incredible collection of projects that you can either do or build yourself. So if you're ever stuck on like what to build or what to work on, etc., you will have tons of ideas and content just right here. The link for DataCamp will be in the description of the video, but this one is an awesome resource to get started. I think everybody knew this one had to be on the list. Coursera is such an awesome resource to learn just about anything. There are so many courses, particularly from well-known universities to even like Google and IBM. Their collection is just insane. They have topics and courses on pretty much anything you want to learn, and the courses are very informative and they test you a lot, and it is an awesome place for beginners to learn and grow on their resume. Most of the courses here give you certifications, and getting a certification from Coursera is literally like a piece of gold because it is so well known and they look so professional and so nice, and they are incredibly easy to share on your resume. The price right now is about $49 a month, which may seem like a little crazy at first, but I'm telling you, it basically is like an investment. At least in my experience, it was. For example, like in one of my job interviews I had, I think it was like my 3rd interview with a senior software engineer for a company I applied for. I was incredibly nervous, but like halfway through the interview, he had actually caught that I had some Google data certification on my resume. And he was like so shocked because of it, because it was one that he was thinking of getting from Coursera. And the rest of the interview, he went to ask me like tons of questions about it and how it was. And just from that, I had like so much to talk about in that interview because I had already gone through the course. And actually about a week later, I actually got an offer from that company. So just a testament to how great Coursera is. I would definitely recommend it, and not only for the variety of like in-depth courses and projects, but also its professionalism and familiarity. There's also a ton of free ways to get certifications using Coursera, which will definitely help you get the most out of it. And I will leave that video on how to get free certifications through Coursera and a link to Coursera in the description of this video. edX was founded by Harvard and MIT and is one of the best platforms for learning online. It's kind of more of a hardcore learning environment, as they offer a ton of like advanced courses and projects, but they also have a ton of programs available from beginner to advanced. They offer a ton of professional certifications, just like this one, the Harvard CS50, which is one of the most well-known web developer / Python certifications in terms of relevancy. As again, this platform is founded by some of, if not the best technology-driven universities in the entire world. So certification from here is definitely relevant. In addition to professional certifications, you can also use edX to get a full college degree, bachelor's or master's, from some of the top universities, and it's all online. They have a ton of boot camps that you can apply to, where you can go and have live sessions for X amount of hours a week and work with other students and instructors to build in-depth coding skills, which is definitely something I would recommend for beginners, especially if you're looking for a more direct, guided approach. I went to 2 boot camps actually, and I have learned so much and met so many amazing people. I would definitely recommend, if you would like to see my review on one of the boot camps I attended, I will leave that video down below in the description of this video, along with the link to edX if you want to try it out. Udemy is an awesome place to learn. They offer so many courses. Although you do pay for each course, they always host a ton of practice and knowledge and come with some pretty nice certifications to add to your resume. Udemy is kind of like Coursera in terms of like familiarity. I know a ton of people who use Udemy as their learning platform of choice. As you can see, like some of the reviews on these courses, like this course has over 200,000 reviews and it's 4.7 stars. Like, that's insane. Also, Udemy is extremely beginner friendly, offers a ton of introductory courses, and is always updating and releasing new content. You can always catch a lot of courses going on sale and even find a ton of them for free. So, I mean, all in all, you can't go wrong with Udemy. It's a great place to start building some coding skills, and the link for Udemy will be down in the description of this video. FreeCodeCamp. It basically is exactly what you would think. It offers a ton, and I mean a ton, of great resources to learn how to code. There are literally thousands of tutorials on pretty much anything, and they offer free certifications as well, although not as relevant as some of the others on this list. They offer tons of different coding topics like data science, front-end development, and algorithms and data structures. These courses are very interactive and give you an environment to practice and experiment while trying to solve your tasks. FreeCodeCamp has so much useful documentation on all types of topics, and I actually use FreeCodeCamp quite frequently for this. Like, if I forget about a topic, whether it's a property or a certain method, I may use the documentation on FreeCodeCamp to understand it or review it. If you really don't know where to start and you're looking for a budget-friendly, interactive place to learn and practice your coding skills, this would be my top recommendation. The link for FreeCodeCamp will be in the description of this video. Definitely try it out. And that's it for the video, guys. Hope you guys liked and enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to smack that like button. And guys, comment down below your favorite resources and places to practice and learn coding. I personally would love to know more places, and I always want to embrace this YouTube channel and this community, especially the comment section, to be an extension to learning and developing our career paths. So in addition to that, if you would like to be more involved, you can join our Facebook group. I'll leave that down in the description below, but that's going to wrap things up. And if you want to see more, don't forget to sub. And like always, stay blessed. Happy learning, happy coding. I'm out. Peace.